This is my Chromebook CV713, and it's booted into Linux Live for Linux Mint. And even if I installed it, it would have the same issue. The sound doesn't work on this. It's a common problem with Ubuntu type installations for this Chromebook. So we only see dummy output over here and it doesn't work. So this might seem pretty obvious, but the workaround where you don't have to do anything is just to get a pair of Bluetooth speakers or a Bluetooth headset, and then what's it called? Use it like that. So I'm going to show you. How do I turn this thing on?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So it's ready to pair. I'm opening that. Sure, yes. I'm going to search for a device. It's one of these devices. I don't know what it is. Oh, must be the speaker. Bluetooth speaker.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
And so if I go into sound settings over here, I now have the headphone. I can test the sound.
Front, right. Front, left.
Let me do the right again.
Front, right. Front, left.
So if you have a Chromebook 713, 714, you can get it to at least have sound if you have a Bluetooth speaker or a Bluetooth headset, and call it a day. I spent an hour or so trying to figure out how to fix the internal speakers, but I had no success, and I can live with this. This is doable because most of the time I don't need volume when I'm running on Linux. So that's my experience with Linux Mint, as well as probably with any versions of Ubuntu. Hopefully this helps someone.